Hello everyone. Please all paid classes aspirants, all HSTR batches, GPSTR batches and CRISE batches, to all of you, this is one final request. Please watch this video completely. At any cost you have to watch it, because we are explaining everything here. If you don't watch this video and if you later ask same questions that are already answered here, you are not going to get answer anywhere, because we are not going to answer it. Not because we don't care about you, but because we care about you, we are not going to answer it. Because we need to work, you all need to study, and we need to prepare content for you all. So this is the best way we can work together for your CET preparation. So please cooperate with us. Okay. So first of all, you need to listen this video completely, because we are explaining all the important things about the new syllabus, timetable which is tentative, emails and course access. So let us start from the beginning. Now GPSTR new syllabus has come suddenly, and we have less time. We know that many of you are worried, and you all don't know how to manage your existing classes, pending classes, how to manage paper 1 and how to manage the new syllabus. So instead of giving the content randomly, we have made a proper timetable to help you plan your preparation. Because what has happened now is all recruitments came at a time. We guessed that the recruitments may come one by one, or at least we did not guess that everything will come at a time. We believe even you did not guess that all this are going to come at a time, right? And we never thought that after syllabus release they are going to give so less time. That is also a one big shock for us, right? So things are becoming little tough. So to make it easy, we took 1 or 2 days time, and say let us say 2 to 3 days time. And in these 3 days, we have, literally gone through very bad time because of some aspirants. Because aspirants want the new syllabus overnight. Is it possible? We are not magicians, right? There are some aspirants who were asking us for new syllabus overnight. They literally, at some point we thought that we will not be able to help you all in this tough time. But then again, we took time. We told ourselves that maximum majority of aspirants believe us and have trust in us. And this is what we do every year to TET aspirants. Every year we give new classes. In fact, there was one point of time where for Karnataka TET, suddenly PUC syllabus had come. That time also we had only less than 2 months only. Then also we coped up, and all aspirants were very happy at the end, and many of them qualified TET also. So this is not new for us. We do it every year. But because these recruitments have come after so many days, we understand that many aspirants are in the panic mode. So did we for some time. But then we came out, because we have responsibility of so many aspirants who have paid and took the paid classes. So that's why we have made this timetable, and this timetable is having all GPSTR PM, GPSTR CB, HSTR CB, and we will add CRISE also after the exam date comes. Okay. So what is our plan? See, this starts from 17th August to 2nd October. 1 week we are giving for GPSTR PM. Then next week we are giving for GPSTR CB and HSTR CB. Saturdays, Sundays we will not give any content as of now, because we need time to make content, right? But then if needed, we may use that Saturdays and Sundays also later, depending upon how much we are able to cover and how much fast we can make the content. Because no, randomly we cannot make the content. We are not used to doing that. We are used to making quality content only, and that takes little time, right? So the schedule is 17th to 21st August we will be sending GPSTR PM aspirants. In fact, we will send all the GPSTR aspirants because they have enrolled for PCMB. But then it is up to them. Anyway, they are not, PM will not be helpful for CB now. But then because they have enrolled, we will send. They can ignore that week's classes. GPSTR, CB aspirants can ignore those content or those classes or whatever we will be able to send from 17th to 21st August. That will be only for GPSTR PM and all the HSTR PM batches. But the content will be based on GPSTR PM new syllabus. Okay. Then next week, 24th to 28th August, we will be sending for GPSTR CB and HSTR CB. For GPSTR CB, it will be as per the new syllabus of the CB, which is updated now. And for HSTR CB also it will be of the new syllabus only. And one more very important point we wanted to tell you is that whatever the syllabus we will be doing now, that will be not exactly the new syllabus which has been given. That will be the extra syllabus which has been obtained by removing the GPSTR PM syllabus or GPSTR CB syllabus or HSTR CB old syllabus. So basically these classes are add-on classes. We don't want to waste your time by giving repeated content and repeated syllabus. For example, what all is there in GPSTR physics from the old syllabus is removed from the new syllabus. And what all remaining content is there, we are giving that in the new syllabus because already aspirants have watched old classes and they have used old content. So no use of giving same and wasting time because we have less time, right? Like that only for GPSTR CB also. Whatever is there in their chemistry and biology old syllabus is removed from the new syllabus, and what all new part has been given, for that we will be giving content. Same we have done for HSTR CB also. So whatever you are getting here in this timetable will be all new only for your respective batches. I mean to say for GPSTR CB also, for HSTR CB also, and for GPSTR PM also. So this much is clear, right? And one more thing I wanted to make it clear. See, whatever content is needed, that we will organize. Somehow we will organize. Okay. Like for example, for GPSTR PM, if we are giving some classes from HSTR PM batch, in that case, for that particular class, we will not give notes because that class is taken from different batch which was a paid course. Okay, and notes will not be given for any free class which we will be giving. Okay, wherever needed it will be given. Free class will be given or HSTR PM class will be given for GPSTR PM wherever needed. But for that notes will not be given. But then whatever new class which we make now for GPSTR PM, for that we will give notes. And we will try to give maximum multiple choice questions wherever is necessary. So that we know better. Simply you don't ask us to give multiple choice questions randomly because you have to trust on us. We know better for which chapter how many multiple choice questions are needed for you. Okay, so this much you have to keep in mind. And don't randomly ask us every time, ma'am, give notes, we will take printout. Don't do that. You don't have time now to take printouts and keep it on the table in the corner. This time for you is to watch class, then and then only how to learn now. Keeping backup will not help you now. Just watch class that day, finish it off. You don't have time to do revision also. You have very less time now. Okay, so you don't need to ask for notes for anything. Whatever we give is important. If we are not giving notes with any class, it means that you have to watch that class. Notes will not help for that class. That is how it is. You have to understand this point. Okay. So whatever the timetable is there, we have written here, that will be followed. Okay. moving on. So how many days we are giving? 20 days for GPSTR PM because their physics is huge and it will take little time. GPSTR CB aspirants are already CB method aspirants. Anyway, still we have given add-on syllabus we are trying to make, and we will be giving extra whatever is needed for HSTR CB and GPSTR CB. Now, 1 week we will be giving classes for HSTR PM. In that 1 week, GPSTR CB and HSTR CB aspirants are free, right? That time what you have to do? You should do your paper 1. You should do old pending classes. You should complete new syllabus content, whatever was given in the previous week. Or if you feel that you are weak somewhere, then you can utilize time there. So you have to make your own timetable this way. We are not able to make timetable now because we have to concentrate on everyone. So this is our timetable. You should make your timetable based on our timetable. Okay, clear, right? One more thing, we are giving all new syllabus content, no? Now you should not ask us telling that madam, as it is syllabus you are not giving from the GPSTR syllabus. It is not possible because new GPSTR syllabus is very large and we have very little time. So wherever we feel it is useful, we may give you whatever it is. As I already told you, we have our own syllabus now, which is the new part added to your old syllabus, right? So we are working on that new syllabus which we have extracted by removing the old syllabus. So this point I hope you have understood. Okay. Now who will get the new syllabus content? See, we have conducted polls in the respective groups. Then we decided to give GPSTR new syllabus content to everyone. All the GPSTR batches, all the HSTR PM batches, all the HSTR CB batches and CRISE batch also. So this is most important thing you should know, and already some aspirants are messaging us, madam, what fee we have to pay? There is no extra fee for this new content. Whatever we give, classes, notes, worksheets, whatever we will be giving as per the timetable. Any batch you are, HSTR PM, GPSTR, HSTR CB or CRISE, you don't have to give any new extra fee. Okay, so please don't ask us this again and again. We are giving this support to all the paid batches without any additional payment. In fact, we have stopped enrollment now to focus on all of you, because if we keep on enrolling and aspirants are coming, they will not be able to focus, they will not be able to complete our course, because as you all know, our courses are very big and we cannot make crash course also because we want to help you all in this tough time. And for HSTR PM aspirants, we have taken this decision mainly because majority of aspirants are asking for GPSTR new syllabus revision. We cannot make everyone happy, so we conducted poll and we had told in the groups that whatever will be there in the poll, that will be the final decision. So here it is. And one more very important point, emails are very important now. This is one of the most important things you need to understand. Our WhatsApp communication is closed now because we are not at all able to answer thousands of messages in WhatsApp. We need to focus on making the content. And as usual, all the content will be sent to your registered email ID according to the timetable. So please check your registered emails regularly. Make enough space in your mailbox. Make sure you are checking the correct email ID. Make sure your mailbox can receive the emails and files. Okay, so you have to just note this one more very important point. We will not resend classes individually again and again. You message us telling, madam, we did not receive the class, which is not possible because all classes and all content go by default and machines don't make mistake. Only humans make mistake. So you should understand that if you are not getting class, it is not our fault because we are by default sending to everyone. But if your mailbox is full, then you will not get any class, right? And if you are checking another email ID, then also you will not get any class, right? And if you miss the email, only thing is you have to take care of the mails. Okay, so this is your responsibility. We have to use our time to prepare new content. We will not be resending same content again and again. And now just to note this time, 8 p.m. is the timing. At 8 p.m. you have to check your mailboxes. As per a timetable, you will have the new content. Okay, don't ask time again. Don't message us to ask time. Remember 8 p.m. This is for everyone. Okay. So now please don't send personal messages like, Madam, my class did not come in mail. Resend the mail. Or Madam, give us paper 1. Madam, give us notes. Madam, we want this. Madam, we want that. Because we will not be able to help you all personally now. Now the situation is like very huge syllabus is there and you all should prepare. So right now you all need to help each other also. If any one of you is writing message to us again and again, it means that you are disturbing all of the aspirants there. Because till we are answering you here, how much content we could have made and helped you all, that you should think. Okay. So remember, you need to study and we need to prepare. That is how we can help you best. Relating to course access, see, if you are a GPSTR aspirant, your access will be till last GPSTR CET exam date. If you are HSTR CB aspirant, your access will be till last HSTR CB CET exam date. If you are CRICE aspirant, then your access will be till last CRICE exam date of 2026. If you are a HSTR PM aspirant, then your access will be till last GPSTR 2026 exam date, because we are supporting you with GPSTR PM method revision classes now only. Okay, so this much is clear, right? One more important point I wanted to tell you about timetable is, see, what you are seeing here is our minimum planned commitment. We may give you more than what is mentioned here because we have very little time. Things may change and we may take immediate decisions. We may add, but we will not subtract. We may add more classes. We may add few mock tests also. We are not doing commitment on all that because we don't know what will be the situation. But as usual, as we do this to TET every year, we are doing it from 5 years. Every year we do it to TET also. But then aspirants should support and cooperate with us. We will do our best. If we have time, we will give mock test also. Whatever is possible, we will do. Okay. But for that, we need your cooperation. We have been working very hard all the time. And now after new syllabus has come, we have not even wasted a minute or a second also. So honestly, we received very large number of messages and repeated questions just in 2 to 3 days. And at one point, no, I even felt that we should not take this additional responsibility. But then we thought about the students who actually trust us and have faith in our work. So we decided that we should do our best as usual. And that is what we are doing now. We are trying to prepare the best possible content in this limited time. But we will also need your cooperation. So please don't judge the plan before you see the content. You need to trust us. You need to trust the process. Follow the timetable. Check your email. Make space in your mailbox. Complete the content, whatever you are receiving in the mail. Some aspirants think that just paying the fee will make them get this job. That is not how it actually works. Some aspirants also ask us, Madam, if I take this course, will I get name in the merit list? That is not how it actually works. We are helping you in this journey. It is you who should work hard. It is you who should get into the merit list by writing the exam well. So aspirants, I am telling at the end of the video to watch this video completely, because if someone has skipped, you should go back and watch it again. So please watch this video completely from the beginning. We have explained everything here. So remember, we need to prepare, you need to work, and you need to study. That is the best way we can work together for your CET preparation. Please cooperate with us, follow the timetable, check your email, and stay focused, stay consistent. We are working hard for you because your success is our goal. So there are some aspirants in HSTR PM batches who are telling that, ma'am, we did not qualify TET, so your GPSTR classes will not help us. We want to tell those aspirants that if you have not qualified TET, at least now in this time till GPSTR exam date is coming, till then you prepare for TET, because after the recruitments again TET will come, right? You use our course and you prepare for TET. This time you qualify TET so that next time any recruitment comes, you will be eligible for that. What will you do if next time HSTR comes and if they keep TET compulsory? At that time also you will not be able to write the exam, right? Anyway, now they have given big shock by removing the HSTR PM posts. While they have removed the HSTR PM post, if you had qualified TET, you could have written GPSTR PM now, right? At least think about that and prepare. If you are not eligible for GPSTR now, prepare for TET using the HSTR PM course and the GPSTR classes we are going to give. Please take everything positively. Every time negativity will not help, and we cannot make everyone happy. Please try to understand and try to believe us. We were always there to help you all. That's the reason why we gave you access to the courses for years, just with minimal fee. We did not give you courses for 3 months or 6 months. Aspirants are not even understanding that, means we feel really sad. Anyway, this was about only few aspirants, not all aspirants, because majority of aspirants always trust us and motivate us also, and we want to tell all the best to every one of you. We are here to help you. We will do our best, but then we want positivity everywhere, because if we see negativity, our work becomes slow. The content which we are giving you, for that quality will go down, quantity will go down, rest all is up to you. Okay, so let's make these next few weeks count. Let's take this new syllabus as a challenge, and let's not think that whatever is happened is bad for us, because no, we sincerely believe that whatever happens is for good. And believe me, grabbing knowledge from everywhere is always good. I wanted to actually, let me tell this point also. Some GPSTR aspirants, not some actually, majority of aspirants feel that they have wasted money or they have wasted time by preparing for other subjects. PM aspirants feel they wasted time and money while preparing CB, and CB aspirants feel they wasted time and money while preparing PM, which is actually not true, because whenever you get chance to take knowledge, you should take it. Right? Now, will you ever go to PM? I am talking about CB. Or will you ever go to CB? I am talking about PM aspirants. No, right? You got the chance to learn all that. In case you really get this job, if your students come to you with some other topics from some other subjects, you will be able to answer now. You will be all-rounder now, which is great. I mean, very few only told us, but then they told that they wasted time and they wasted money. We really felt very bad, because whatever we did or whatever you did was based on GPSTR 2022 question paper and syllabus. What else could we do? We could not do anything other than preparing what was already present. That is what we did. Anyway, I can talk still more and more, but let's not waste our time doing all this. Let's stay focused, stay consistent, and please, again I want to tell you, please cooperate. We always thought that we are here to help you, and now also we are telling we are here to help you. Rest is up to you to trust us. Okay? Thank you. All the best. Bye.